Welcome to the Realistic Viewer channel. Today, let's have a look at IGTV, the Instagram YouTube competitor. They've decided to put the gauntlet down. Let's have a look at it after the intro. So welcome back. IGTV, the option to reach 1 billion active people looking for a nice video. They're going to focus on mobile-friendly content, which means that they are going to show all the videos vertically, which means that it's not going to be horizontally available. Come on. But the option, what is interesting is that if somebody is interested in a certain topic, you're going to be able to find content creators that make content for it. Initially, they are starting with a 10-minute limit instead of the 1-minute limit that we now have on Instagram. And eventually, you're going to get the option to release 1 hour long videos. So in general, they're really going to focus on being a competitor for YouTube. What's also very interesting is that they are going to filter out certain types of content. So if it isn't fitting with the terms of services that they're doing right now, it's going to be stopped and held for review. It is possible to access IGTV through your Instagram app right now if you have it upgraded already, but we're going to look at the standalone application today. So let's get into it. So we're in the IGTV application. As you can see, they curate based on your interest, the people that you are following, those that are popular, and content that you might have watched before. And in case you want to search it up, they have a curation with people that are already active on the IGTV app. And in case you want to watch it, they show every video, as I said before, vertically. And in that way, in case you are a small content creator, you can get more views, more interest, and more options to grow your audience. So thank you for watching the video. If it was helpful, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe. We talk about marketing, sales, self-development content, and more on the channel. I'll see you in the next video. And this is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.